So hello guys, this is Paul again. Welcome back. Don't mind my voice, got a lot of cold here, but that one will not actually stop us from going on with classes. So welcome to the second lesson, and today we are learning about key D. Now let me make something very clear here. In the first lesson, we learned how to play C, F, C, G, but all of them were in the key of C. All right, and that one, C itself is 1, or the do. F was 4, or fa, and G was 5, or so. So mind you, we have do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, and then do. So we have 7 notes, but we have now dealt with only do, fa, do, so. I repeat, if this is 5, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So we have been playing C, which is 1, F, which is 4. We go back to C, we have been going back to C, which is 1, and then 5, which is G. Are we together up to there? So meaning we have been leaving behind 2 and 3 and 6 and 7. So don't mind about that. We are going to come to that later on. So first lesson we did the key of C. Now today we go ahead to the key of D. Please do not forget, we have 12 independent different keys. So when I say I'm in the key of C and I'm playing C and F, C and G, that is 1, 4, 1, 5, meaning my 1 is the determinant and that is the key. My 1 is the key. Are we together there? So today we are in the key of D. Now D, we will play D, G, D, and A. I'm going to explain how you hold them, do not worry. Now there's something that I want you to connect really quick. In this case, as much as we are in the key of D, D becomes our 1. Are we together? We are in the key of D. So now at this point, D becomes our 1, G becomes our 4, and A becomes our 5. So do, fa, so. 1, 4, 5. Are we together? But for the sake of practice, remember we are new in this, completely new. We are starting to learn guitar. This is our lesson 2. So what do? We try this 1, 4, then back to 1, and then 5. Are we together? So let's get to it. Now, remember we understood about the names of these strings, the frets, how we go to the next key. If you didn't, if you are new here, please go to lesson 1 and you'll understand everything, the basics about a guitar, unless maybe you have a question that I have not taught about. This one, we hold finger 1 will hold string 3, fret 2. All right, and then finger 2 here will hold string 1, the same fret 2. Now finger 3 here will hold string 2, fret 3, like that. Are we together? There's something that I want us to understand. We say that we are holding the key, the chord of D, right? We are in the key of D, and that is the chord of D, which is 1. So we need a bass. Where are we going to get a bass? This string 4, do we all see this? We say this is 1, 2, 3, 4. See, we named them, right? We actually named them and we said this string 4 is the D, right? So we are going to play it while open as the root bass of D. Are we together? So we are going to play, if we are to strum, we would strum them all together, like that. From, that is string 4 while open, it's the D. Are we together? So I show you again, I hope you can see it well. This is string 3, string 1, the same fret, and then string 2, the other fret. Are we together? So in that, you actually pluck the bass, which is string 4. Now you already know string 4 is the bass, right? String 4, and then string 2, 1, 2. So I repeat, string 4, then string 2, 1 and 2. So like this. I repeat. Can everybody see that? I repeat again. Sorry. Like that. So you are still holding D while playing all that. And then you go to G. Now we already know G. There is no difference. We already know G from the key of C. We learned G, right? So this will go there and there and there. I believe that one we all remember. And then here, very simple, very simple. We are going to pluck the bass, which is string 6. We already learned about G. So there's no difference in terms of chords. Then, like that. And then we strum from downwards, upwards. Just like that. Imagine. Like that. And then we go back to D and we do just like we did the first time. So you get that? So it's just 4, 2, 3, 2. Sorry, no, 4, 2, 1, 2, right? And now we have come back to D. Now we go to A, and this is the only difference. At G, we said we are going to pluck the bass of G, which is string 6, while held at fret 3, right? And we strum upwards from string 1. Are we together? From string 1. That we are interested in that sound because that is a G with this small finger. Okay? But now when we come to A, we hold A like this. Get this clearly. All at this fret 2. All of them at fret 2. String 4, string 3, string 2. Like that. Can everybody see that? All of them are the same fret. So string 4, string 3, and string 2. Like that. And then we both know that string 5, while open by itself, is called A under the standard tuning, right? So which means I will play A while open, like string 5 while open, just like that. Okay? So like this. So that one is A while open. Now, before we continue playing the chord of A, I want to ask a question. Because they are all in the same fret, all of them, what if we just use this one finger and then press them all together? Is that not easy? Wow. What a making work easier, point like that. So you press them all together. That is 4, 3, 2. So they are all. So in this case, we do not use string 1. Are we together? So that is the easiest way of holding chord A. Now, but remember, we have our string 5 while open, which is A. Okay? So, just like we did at G, we will pluck the bass. The bass now for this point is string 5, right? And then we use this finger to pluck from downwards, but now from string 2. Remember, you're not interested in string 1, right? So, like that. So, are we together? So we start like this. From D, we hold the D like that. Now this is now we are finalizing on how to play it. We're in the key of D. It is becoming easy because G we had already learned, right? So, and that's how the guitar will continue becoming easy, because everything that we are playing or learning counts in the future. So after holding D, all of you can see D here. This is D, and then you play bass, which is now string 4, and then 2, 1, 2. So, sorry. Okay. Okay. And then, but we'll be just doing it only once, like this. And then we go to G. Shift to G. And then you play the way you said bass, and then up, just like that once. We go back to D. And now to A. A, you hold it the way we have seen it to make work easier, and then you plug it. Bass and up. bass and up, but from string 2 this time. So all together it's like this: D, G, D, A. So let's see how we are shifting. We start from D. Let's go. Good. Now when you do it, like, let's say, how many times can we give it? Let's say like 2 times, 2 complete rounds, like this. All right. So when you go to D, like, let's assume you have played D, G, D, A round 1, and then D, G, D, A round 2. Now when you come back to round 3 like this and you play at D, you play something like this. Please look here. String 6 while open, you see it's open. I'm not holding it anywhere. And then the same string 6 at fret 2, okay, and then at fret 3. So remember, we are still playing on string 6 while open, at fret 2, at fret 3, and then string 5 while open. Are we together there? I repeat. I repeat one more time. So that is string 6 while open, at fret 2, at fret 3, and then string 5 while open. And then you land to A. We have already learned A. Then you can pluck it twice, like this. You see? Okay. And then now what you have done from string 6, now you do it, but now from string 5. So string 5 will open, fret 2, fret 3, and then you finish with string 4. And now that gets you back to D. Are we together? So all together will sound like this. I'll play 2 times, and then I play that thing, and then we continue. You see now, that is the easiest part of it. Now that is the key of D. Simply 1, 4, 1, 5. So in the first lesson we did the key of C. Today we have done the key of D. Keep on practicing. Guitar requests you to only have one discipline: persistence and a lot of practice, and not losing hope. It might feel like I'm getting tired, it's even somehow hurting, and I'm still not getting it. Please, no. Go on. You'll be where you want to be. So thank you for today. And please consider that as much as you have a guitar, then the skills can get into you very slowly or even very quickly. And who knows? Practice makes perfect. So let's meet on 27th of September this year of 2025 as we restore what was stolen from us, Nyeri town. Thank you.